In this video, I'll show you how to download and play Poppy Playtime on your computer laptop. Poppy Playtime is a horror puzzle game where you explore an abandoned toy factory, you solve puzzles and cover secrets and try to survive scary moments inside the factory. First, if you don't already have Steam, you need to download it because that's where we'll get the game. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Steam download. Click the official Steam website. Now download the installer for your computer or laptop. Once it's downloaded, open the file. Now click Next, then click Next again, then click Install. Once it's installed, open the app and go to the search bar and type Poppy Playtime. Click on the game. Here you're going to click Play Game. Click Install. Wait for the download to finish, and once it's done downloading, you can start playing by going to your library in Steam and open the game. And that's how you can download and play Poppy Playtime on your computer laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.